never would have considered myself incomplete prior to meeting you. But once you came along, I quickly realized that there was a piece missing before, a light so bright that I could never imagine what life was like without it. Your joy and enthusiasm for life are so contagious. You make me the best version of myself, and I can't wait to build a life with you. As we grow together, I promise to work on liking spicy foods. I promise to go to as many Killers concerts with you as you want. I promise to occasionally laugh at your dad jokes, but I don't promise not to roll my eyes. I promise to root for the Bears, even if they're playing the Chiefs. And I promise to never let you lose yourself in this crazy world that's constantly pushing us to be someone we're not, because I would never want you to be any less you. I promise to never stop working on us, learning how to be the best partner I can be for you with each passing day. I promise to always be in your corner, supporting you and pushing you to accomplish your dreams. And most of all, I promise to love you forever and ever. Amen.
Ashley Nicole Smith, I cannot believe I captured your heart. Right from the start, I knew you will set that fire in me, and I would rather feel happy, sad, mad, excited, and anything with you than anywhere away from you. I love you. I'll tell you this before I leave home in the morning and before I go to bed. And what a better opportunity to describe it, my promise, and show it in front of our families and friends. You're my everyday inspiration, my motivation, and my best friend. I've been slowly coming out of my cage, and now since being with you, I've been doing just fine. You're as sweet as a Starbucks Frappuccino that you suggested me to order on our first date. I promise to accomplish and to follow one of the greatest commitments a human being can do. To tell and show my love, affection, and loyalty for you, or to you, for the rest of my life, which will be for the next 40,150 days if we make it to 110 years old. Because Ed Sheeran loving to 70 is just not enough, you know? I promise to give you foot massages the same day and time that I have offered them. I promise to keep you stocked with my corny and dad jokes for the rest of your life. I will always put you first, no matter what. Even if my Chicago Bears are playing, or if the Killers are in town, you will always be my first, Ashley. And I will do my absolute best for the rest of my days for us. You know why? Because simply I don't mind if you don't mind, and I don't shine if you don't shine.
Ashley, yo quiero decirte que tú pasaste a ser nuestra familia.
I am proud to say that this box was not just purchased off a shelf at a store. I made this box myself. And the box was made with love, especially for you. With it comes my personal love and prayer of protection over the two of you. George and Ashley, it is my hope that you will never have to open this box because you're in need of its contents. May it always be a reminder of your love for one another and of how blessed you are.
George, I love you, buddy. I still wonder how you and I have survived some of the adventures we've had together. George has always been the most kind-hearted person I've known. And for Ashley, I want to thank you. You're a very intelligent, trusting, caring, and loving person that is the perfect match for George. I couldn't ask for a better partner in crime for George. You are the Mr. Brightside to his killers.
She is the steady, sane half of my brother. She is always there by his side to support and sometimes babysits him. Thank you, Ashley, for sticking by my brother's side through it all. As the great Brandon Flowers would say, you're not just another girl.
Growing up, I've always wanted to be just like Ashley. Ashley exemplifies hard work and selflessness, which is why she's my role model. Ashley, you are the best sister anyone could ask for. And I'm so excited that you found your person. George, welcome to our family, and I'm so excited to call you my new brother-in-law.
I can't remember a time when I didn't have a heart full of love for one sparkly, intelligent, aspirational, beautiful redheaded girl that I most often refer to as Tash. Falling in love can happen nearly unintentionally. That was how it was for me and Ash, and I have cherished our relationship for the better part of 30 years. I see that you genuinely know what a blessing it is to have her as a partner in life. And Ashley, to see you, my gorgeous, deeply good, intelligent, talented mermaid hair best friend. Choose a spouse that brings out your spontaneity, that makes you smile and laugh in a way few people do, and who allows you to let loose and relax after all the endless hard work you do day in and day out. I could not be happier for you.